Good day to all of you. Today we'll try to learn variable in C, right? So what is variable? We'll learn practically. In normally you can understand or you can relate. Variable means something which holds a value. Means anything which holds a value is called variable. Variable can be of various type like int variable which holds integer value. Character variable will hold character value like A, B, C, D. Likewise. Similarly, if we go ahead with float variable, it can hold values with decimal places. Numeric values with decimal places. And when you go ahead further, double, it again the data type is same. They are float variable, means variable which can hold integer or numeric value with decimal places. So when it comes to float, double, long double, these all data types holds numeric value with decimal places. The difference is only one. The size of variable will grow. Means as you will move from float to double and double to long double, the range of data these variables can hold will grow, will be more. So let's see with the help of an example what is variable and how it works in programming. Let's move directly to the DOS prompt, and through that we'll enter into Turbo C compiler. Now we are in editor. First of all, the basic idea, save with file name. So variable, I have saved this file with variable.c. Now the basic, first thing first, hash include stdio dot h, and then again hash include conio dot h, include conio dot h void main, beginning of the program, clear screen function. Then suppose I want to store a number variable, the roll number. I will take integer because we all know that roll number is of type integer. So int, and name of the variable will be roll number. Then say name. Name is of type character. I am taking name as a variable. Now I want to store p. P will be of float type. Return p. So you all know that why I have taken int, character and float. For name I know that name is of a character data type. roll number is of integer data type, and when it comes to fee, it is in some numeric value with decimal places. So now suppose I want to store data into it. See it here. Suppose I have written roll number equal to 10. This equal means now this roll number variable, this is called declaration, means roll number is a integer variable, correct name is a character variable, p is a float variable. I have declared. So now I can store integer data into roll number. Why? Because it is a integer variable. Then similarly, in name I can store a for the time being as a name. Then in fee I can store say 10,000.55 as a fee. See it here, before using you need to declare first. So if you go ahead, this roll number is a variable, name is a variable, p is a variable. Now I have assigned 10 to roll number. So 10 is a value, a to name, so a is a value. Similarly, 10,000.55 is a value for fee. Now we would like to print it. We all know that we'll have printf function. I would like to print the same, the given values, like roll number colon equals to a colon. Roll number is of type integer, so we'll use %d. This is called controlled string. So printing any integer data will be using %d. And then after that I need to provide the name of variable from which this value will be printed, that is roll number. Means this printf function will take value of roll number and will print it here, right? Similarly, printf, I will take /n here for new line, name colon, I will use %c because a is a character data. So the value for name will come from name variable. Similarly, print f within quotes /n and will print fee, and fee is a float data, so %f will be used. So the data for fee will come from fee variable. Clear? And then we'll use get ch, and this is the end of the program. So now you have seen this is way to declare variables. So these are the variable declarations, and this is assignment of value to various variable, and here using variable for printing or for getting value which is stored inside these variables. This roll number will give 10, name will give A, and fee will give 10,000.55. So let's Alt F9. It is seeing 3. Okay, this is the error. TLR function is always used after declaration of variable SCR. So keep in mind, whenever you have a variable in your program, so CLR SCR function should be written, should be used after declaration of the variable. Alt F9, then Control F9. You can see it here, the output. So roll number 10, name is A, he is this. Now if I want to, I have written F capital, N capital, then I can have, no, just, and I can write here 0.2f. This will give us 2 decimal places accuracy. So now we have the correct output. What we have done in this, we have created 3 variables: roll number, name, fee. Then within those variables we have stored value like 10 as roll number, A as name, 10,000.55 as fee. So I hope it is clear how to declare variable, how to assign value to a variable, and then how to use value of a variable in program. With this, thank you so much. For any query or comment, please let us know. Good day. Have a great learning.